Barcelona, home to some of the most distinctive architecture in the entire world. From the ancient, to the modern, to the bold and colorful, the buildings of Barcelona are a feast of shapes, texture, and color. For the audiovisual community, the relationship between technology and design can be challenging. If an AV expert is brought in too late, it limits the potential solutions that they can provide. So today, we're checking out Cottet Óptica, an eyeglasses store where AV worked hand in hand with architects and interior designers to create a gorgeous shopping experience.
El meu avi, que el 1888, ells tenien una fàbrica familiar fabricant d'ulleres i es va enamorar de la ciutat i finalment el 1902 va obrir la primera botiga al Portal de l'Àngel.
Cottet is a company with a lot of history, and it became for us quickly a challenging project in how to help to transform a very traditional company, adding these digital layers, but at the same time preserving all the history.
Balancing tradition and cutting-edge technology can be tricky, but fortunately the team in Instronic was involved in the design of the space from the very beginning.
It is very important to get into the project at the early stages of the project, so there is where you really can influence on how to integrate the technology. In this specific case, for example, the interior design was something very clean, minimal.
La idea que teníem nosaltres és de poder interactuar amb els nostres clients. No volíem un espai fred tecnològic que el client tingués que participar, que se'l deixés a l'aventura davant de la informàtica, sinó que fos els nostres col·laboradors amb el client que pogués d'una forma positiva jugar.
Before clients can shop in the store, they have to find the store. And on this busy Barcelona street, it's more difficult than you would think.
One of the peculiarities of this space is that this is a really big space, but it has like a very narrow and tiny entrance and a low visibility along the street. And we designed a solution on the entrance that can get like a great impact from the outside, from the exterior face, and also a high visibility along the street. To create an impact, we cannot put it like perpendicular because we're going to use like, it goes like, here it goes like every centimeter is so important because the entrance has to be like as much open as possible.
For much of the space, the design and digital signage are subtle, but there's one AV component that's a real showstopper.
In the sport area, they wanted to have the clients to have an interaction. We decided for a simple lift and learn solution. You lift a product and it triggers a video, and at the end it's something quite simple, but we were looking for this effectiveness. No?
Tot aquest món, avui en dia, que és nou, poder explicar-lo al client amb les noves tecnologies, amb una pantalla, amb imatges, amb so, facilita molt la comprensió i l'explicació de cap al client i el client ho comprèn millor i llavors tota la venda és més fàcil i la satisfacció final del client també.
Since opening its doors, this award-winning store has welcomed customers from all around the world. As much fun as it was to show you all around today, I have some exploring to do. Thank you, we'll see you next time. To check out more episodes of how they do that, subscribe and follow us on social media. And if you know of an amazing AV experience we should feature, email us at video@avixa.org.